Welcome to JP Vidya Mandir, Chirchitta, Bulandshahr, West UP. I, T. Das Gupta, principal of the school, on behalf of the school, we welcome our honorable members of Inspection Committee, Sri Rajiv Singhal ji and Srimati Anita Gautam ji to our school for virtual inspection for the upgradation of the school. Here is a panoramic view of the school campus covering the boundary wall, the games field, the transport stand and the school building.
This is the wall on the front side of the school. Boundary wall covered with grass and some plants, shrubs. Now this is the dispersal gate of our school. Parking area of our school. This is the side wall. Size is 8 feet high on the sides. Now we are on the corner of the boundary. Turning. This is the side. Corner. Now turning. Side wall of our boundary. Now we are turning again. Now this is front wall of our school. Now we are on the front gate.
Now we are in front of the main entrance of the school. We are approaching towards the main or the front of the school. This school is a 4-storied building, G+3. This school was set up in 2013. We are approaching slowly to the main lobby of the school. The motto of the school is Binay Kaushalabhivakti. Humility enhances excellence. This is the main lobby of the school. On the left at the school reception. On the right is the visitors' lounge.
Good morning. On behalf of JP Vidya Mandir Chitta, I am Mridula Sharma. Welcome Mr. Rajiv Kumar Singhal ji and Ms. Anita Gautam ji, members of Inspection Committee. Thank you.
Myself Rajesh Sharma. I am physical education teacher in JP Vidya Mandir Chitta. This is our outdoor activity. This is our handball playground, and this side our volleyball playground. Nearby bus in our concrete basketball playground. This side our playpen.
Now we are approaching the central staircase. There are two more staircases at the extreme corner of this building. We are approaching from the ground floor to the first floor. And the first floor, we have classrooms, audiovisual room, and manager's office. From the first floor, we are moving to the second floor. Second floor, there are classrooms, libraries, classrooms, library, computer room, art and crafts room, music room. We're approaching to the center of this school, the school library.
Good afternoon and welcome to library. We have 2,514 books, and we have biographies, 151 biographies, and library soft board, magazine board. We have 14 magazines and 4 journals. We have world book, amazing books, world book, 25 books, full set, and storybook, 498 Hindi storybooks for children's, junior wings, and reference and mixed books, reference, different kinds of books in this Almira. Hindi novel Almira, We have 67 novels in Hindi, English story and English books. Sports Almira, we have 35 sports books. Reference and some NCRT books and other books. Hindi story books 520 Hindi book. Science section, Science Almira 510 science book. And Reference Almira. Reference Almira, this is an RRB department. Reserve reference books, dictionary and others. English novel, 498 English novels and English story. 300 English stories. This is teacher table and sequential students tables. One table with 8 students and librarian table. This is accession register. Students issue register. Newspaper record and magazine record and librarian lesson plan.
After the library, now we are entering into the digital section of school.
Good afternoon, sir and madam. My name is Sachin Saxena and my qualification is MCA, Master in Computer Application. This is a computer lab for class 2 to class 9. In this computer lab, 30 computers with latest configuration and one computer for teacher, means staff use, and one workstation for my in this side, and this is for teacher side. These are the 30 computer, all computer latest configuration. This workstation for teachers. My workstation, computer teacher workstation. Internet facilities available in this lab. Thank you.
Entering the arena of creativity and innovation. Part of skill development of the taught.
I am Mahesh Kumar Singh, art and craft teacher.
Now we are approaching in music room.
मैं अर्चना सोनी, म्यूज़िक टीचर।
Now, we are trying to give the glimpse of the classroom that we have in the school. Junior classes, primary classes, middle school. For middle school. Now, here is a glimpse of the indoor games that is provided to the students of this school.
Good afternoon and welcome again, sir. This is our indoor activity room. This is a carom room. This is a carom room. This is a 4 carom in various places. And this is our table tennis room. We have 2 TT rooms. One is and second is nearby this room. And this is our chess room. We are lots of chess boards because lots of facilities our students in this school. This is girls and this is boys chess boards.
Second floor, we are now approaching to the 3rd floor and taking one of the extreme staircase. We entered the school through the central staircase and now we are passing by the cornermost staircase. Cornermost staircase. In this floor, we have vacant classroom, 13 vacant classroom to cater the need of secondary and senior secondary level. rooms have been demarcated for science, arts and commerce. There are 14 fire extinguishers of different types have been installed in the school building, which are refilled every year. In each corner of each floor, it is fitted with hose pipe, and separate water tank is made available to deal with the emergency. Now we are approaching towards the 3 science lab. To begin with, we are entering the physics lab, which has been equipped to some extent to start class 11 once the approval is obtained.
Good morning to all, sir and ma'am. Myself, Dron Sharma. Here we are in physics lab. We have all the required equipment here to fulfill the requirement which is usually for the experiments of physics 11th class and 12th class. We have models of screw gauge here. There we have models of screw gauge, vernier calipers, and all required element we are here. Here we have a stock register. All the bills are pasted here. Here is the list of the apparatuses we are using in the lab, and some information for all the apparatuses are here. All equipments are in our notebook.
Classrooms, which are available for future use. Approaching towards the chemistry lab.
Here we are in chemistry lab. We have all the required chemicals and salts which is usually necessary for the practicals of class 11th and class 12th. Here we have conical flask, beakers, tripod stand, burners, and everything we are here which is required for the secondary classes. Here on the wall we have periodic table, 2 charts.
Approaching the bio lab.
Here we are in biology lab. Here you can see the charts on the wall which shows the representation of all the required elements of human body or plant body. Here on the wall we have specimens for phylum and divisions, and we have microscopes all the permanent slides equipped here. For fire safety, we have fire extinguisher in the room. Here we have stock registers for biology lab. Here is the bill for the equipments. All the necessary details in the register. Here.
We are in the hall of the school. School children are actively involved in SPECMIC activities. Renowned performers from the different parts of the country visited the school and performed in front of our student. School also exposes students to PAC India activities. PAC India activities.
Now approaching to composite science lab for secondary level. We have all the required equipments for the practicals of secondary classes.
Here is a view of the corridor of each floor and also the partial view of the staircase. which is either ascending to the next floor or descending to the lower floor. Descending down to the first floor, we are now approaching the resource cum examination cell. Resource room cum examination cell.
Good morning everyone. Myself Parul Dwivedi. I am exam coordinator and this is our exam cell plus resource room.
And moving towards the right.
Now we are approaching in audio visual room. Large view on the wall by projection of projector. Now we are approaching in maths lab.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself Vijay Garg is a maths teacher and I am teaching the mathematics to the students, and I want to explain about the maths lab. So this is the abacus. The students use the abacus for the countings, and this is the models made by some classes of the students. And here the students are doing the practicals. Yes. This is the models made by the student. This is in the shape of the this is the fractions shape. This is the cuboid, cube, etc. And here we explain to the student that how we can convert the fractions. This is a fraction. This is circles 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 5. How we can justify about the fractions. And this is the divider, sir. This is scale. This is divider. And here the students use for it to make the constructions. This is the maths lab register, and we maintain the record how the students are doing the works, and this is the maths registers. This is the name of the student and date when the students have coming in the class, and we always write that the date, period, class, and the topics, teaching aids, teaching name. Similarly, in the every classes we always maintain the records for our convenience, that is the classes, periods, topics, for examples, pattern, building bricks, etc. This is the topics. So
to the ground floor. Now we are entering the girls' utilities. The toilets for special child. The classrooms for tiny tots. The prep class. And then entering the classroom of a mother teacher.
I am Mrs. Meera Yadav. I am working here as a mother teacher. Mother means a मीठा सा एहसास. My school and we all teachers believe that the mind, like a parachute, work best when opened. Thank you very much.
Even if there is less, we can take a little bit for ourselves and we can give the other half to them. And for father, father had an extra quality that he allowed Abdul to go away.
जो जिसके लेखक नरोत्तम दास जी हैं, जिन्होंने भगवान श्री कृष्ण की लीलाओं का बहुत ही सुंदर वर्णन किया है, उन्होंने सुदामा चरित्र लिखा है। और सबसे पहला ही आपके पाठ्यक्रम में पहला ही जो सवैया है वो है शीश पगाने पगा तन में प्रभु जाने को आगे बस के ग्रामा होती फटी सी लड़ी टुकड़ी आलू पाए को पाहन को नहीं सामा।
Classrooms for the primary classes. This is the infirmary of the school. There are two rooms of infirmary, one for the juniors and one for the seniors. We are back. We are back in our visitors lounge.
Thank you, sir and madam, for virtually visiting our school. Thank you.